Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Do not, I repeat, do not join the Legacy Builder program until you watch this video. I want to answer the question, is the Legacy Builder program worth it, right? And is it for me? This was a question that somebody asked me in Messenger and inspired me to actually respond with this video, right? So the Legacy Builder program is definitely not for everybody. So I will cover who it's not for and who it's for towards the very end, right? But let me explain to you why it is definitely worth it for me, okay? The Legacy Builder program has blown me away. I have been online for more than 10 years. Most of that time, I was struggling. I was failing miserably, right? I didn't have the right training. I didn't have the right support. I didn't have the right tools. I didn't have the right mindset, truth be told, right? It was not until 2020 when my life began to change, when I made the decision. I hit rock bottom on my offline world and I was pushed in a corner, and I made the decision to actually invest the time to learn the skills I needed to build a sustainable digital business. And when I started to learn and I started to leverage programs like the Legacy Builder program, which pay you 100% commissions instantly and directly, that's when my life started to change. And since 2020 and now, I've been successful online, so much so that I've been able to go back to college, study for my degree in business and marketing, travel around the world, been to Malawi 2 times in the last 2 years, been to Greece, Turkey, and living large when I went up to those places. But my experience has helped me appreciate the Legacy Builder program, right? And it is worth it for me because of these reasons. The first thing I did, why, as a marketer, I had my head knee deep in an opportunity that I was focused on since January all the way to end of June, right? Let's say July, when I joined the Legacy Builder program. The first thing that attracted to me to the program was I see it was everywhere. It was exploding, right? And I seen all these respectable marketers promoting it. So I was like, hang on a second, let me see what this is all about. So I did my research on YouTube, as I always do, and I was blown away. I immediately made the decision to join. And the reason why I wanted to join was because of the product, right? The product is not a digital marketing course, no, not even close, right? It's a live interactive digital marketing training program, okay? So I want to master this digital marketing, and who best for me to learn from than a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren who went from 0 followers, zero list, zero penny, zero experience to earning over 1.6 million in 20 months, right? So I did my research and I realized that she was a credible creator of this course. I wanted to pick her brain and know exactly what she did, because I learned as I was doing my research that she actually put together a step-by-step proven blueprint, sharing how she did it, right? How she went from zero to 1.6 million. And she's now on a mission to help 1,000 people become millionaires, right? 1,000 people earn 6-7 figures. And she's actually doing it. There are 8 million millionaire South Africans who are becoming millionaires in South Africa from applying what she's teaching, right? So that just blew me away. So let me tell you this, right? From being blown away by doing my research to actually inside the program, I got to realize that I actually got way more than I paid for, way more, not even close, right? Because as I said earlier, it's not just a training course, it's a live, breathing, interactive program, right? What I mean by that is that every single week We get coached by 6-figure, 7-figure earners who coach us, who share with us what's working, what they're doing. Most of them who start from nothing, just like Michelle, right? And we're able to unmute ourselves and actually interact with them, ask questions, and actually get coached and actually be put in breakout rooms and practice what we're being taught. Okay, very, very powerful. So yes, I was blown away by what I got. But wait, there's more, right? Not only do you actually do get the program, right? You get the videos that you can access, right? And then on top of that, you get the live interactive coaching and mentorship. On top of that, we get priceless daily videos, and these videos they go for 90 days, right? 90-day sprints, 90-day runs, and they are just absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So the program itself, I went all in at the highest level, right? I have made with one sale, right? I made one sale at the same level that I was on and got my money back. I broke even, right? Within a week. And then I made another sale, and that was just my like profit, right? But am I bogged down about making more money? No, because I know that the money is on its way. The money will come as long as I commit to applying what I'm learning every single day, right? Commit to this 2-hour workday, commit to income producing activities. How do I know that? Because we have a community of over 35,000 members, right? Of people who are sharing every single day, sharing their wins, they're sharing the results, they're giving us tips and tricks and all that. And I know that if they can do it, so can I, right? But just like I'm in college full time for a couple of years, right? 4 years, right? I'm not expecting to start my college. I'm going to start making money in 4 years, right? Using what I learned in college. So I am extremely grateful to have made my money back, and even more grateful for the invaluable learnings, things that I'm learning I can use. I know that if I just stick to this, when I stick to this and apply it for a year, or even the rest of this year, just the last 4 months, I could promote any opportunity next year and crush it, right? Just from the skills that I'm learning here. Now, what is it am I learning, right? And what are you going to learn? You are going to learn how to brand yourself, okay? Very, very important. As a marketer, stop branding your company, stop branding your leaders, start branding yourself, right? So I'm learning that. I'm learning how to use, how to build my email list, how to nurture my email list, how to communicate with them, using attraction marketing, right? How to generate leads by copying and pasting free ads using social media, okay? So before this program, I wasn't on TikTok. I wasn't going live on TikTok. Now I am. I wasn't going live on Instagram. Now I am, right? I wasn't sure what I was doing on those platforms. Now I know exactly what I need to do to build my following, okay? I've learned, one of the things that I've learned I was never doing in more than 10 years, I was never tracking my leads and sales, my conversions, right? I was never tracking. And now, since I joined religiously every Sunday, this is what we're taught, by the way, in the program, how to set goals, to know how much money you want to earn, how many leads you're going to need to generate, and how to track your conversions, right? So every Sunday, we look back at the previous week and we see how we're doing, right? Very, very powerful. What else have I learned? Oh my goodness, I've learned so much. And things that I've learned that once I learned them, I can't unlearn them. I know them, right? Different things. I turned my Facebook profile page into a professional page, right? Years I've been on Facebook since 2020, right? I never knew that was a thing, right? So now I don't have to worry about friends. I just have followers, right? Very, very powerful. I've learned so many things in TikTok. Absolutely amazing. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to share my screen and introduce you to the bonus part of our program. This is just a bonus, right? When you get the program, you get access to a different part of it, but this here is just extra, right? So the first thing I want to show you is that we have over 35,910 members in our community. This is our calendar where we have live coaching and mentorship. So you can see yesterday was Tuesday. We had Ashley come in and share with us how she's worked her way up to $98,000, right? And this shows in my time. And then we had a legacy builder program training. We had tech support. So we have step-by-step training on how to set up your system. And if you get stuck, you can attend the live training. I never had to attend them, right? Today we had a free webinar that just happened. And then tomorrow we have live mentoring with Amy, who's another six-figure earner. And then we have a tech support call there as well, okay? So this is a live, breathing, interactive coaching and mentorship. Here, this is a 90-day run. This is absolutely blowing my mind. Every single day, we get a short video, less than 10 minutes, just value, just holding us by the hand and saying, do this, do this. Oh, one thing this has prompted me. I've learned so much, guys. I never in my life used ChatGPT before, right? As a marketer, because it can be overwhelming. There's so many tools and everything. And now I've learned so much. Even here, you can see on my tab here, I have ChatGPT open, right? Because of this training here. Very, very powerful. So you can see for 90 days, we get short videos, and we just have to watch the video and apply what she's teaching, right? This here is extra. This is a bonus. When you join, you get access to 2 apps and you get access to 2 platforms. This is the bonus, the extra one, okay? And lastly, let me finish off by introducing you to our community and share with you the wins that people are sharing. This is the highlight of my day. Khalif, congratulations, Khalif, 42 minutes ago, live $900 ding. Today's video from Michelle, you see what video he's talking about? He's talking about the daily video that I just went through there. Lit a fire under my arse. It's not about our fears, it's about showing up for a customer. I love it here, okay? So he watched the video, he got inspired, he took action, he got a $900. You can see August 21st here is the timestamp, and today is August 21st here, okay? We just shared that. And my first sale after 4 months, congratulations, Courtney, 2 days ago. I never thought it's going to happen. Yay, I was waiting patiently to type it ding, my first sale on Monday. Congratulations, right? First lead, Dakalo, 239 minutes ago, right? $2,332 made in 1 day, right? That's 41,580 rands. I honestly have no words. I am in awe of what God is doing in my life. I'm grateful for this digital marketing opportunity. And then here, she's sharing some screenshots as well, okay, of the notifications. Imagine that. Imagine getting these notifications like this, right? Absolutely powerful. Congratulations, girl. So happy for you, okay? Tolu Ding, woke up to my first sale 6 weeks in, right? 3 days ago. Christy, congratulations, 2 days ago. I posted last night that I had 4,500 sales in 10 days, then went to bed and woke up to a friend messaging me to tell me I decided to dive in last night. So it means I actually have 6 $900 sales, right? Congratulations, well done you. So she made a post, she made 4,500, went to bed, woke up the next morning, she had made even more money. Alan, waking up to a $900 ding. Just woke up today with $900 ding. Congratulations. Jacqueline, 4 hours ago, 2 $900 sales. I love this week already. I actually created a short video highlighting Jacqueline. She's absolutely crushing it. Jeff, 7,200 in my first 16 days. Grateful. I bought the system to test it for my daughter who has health challenges and needs a business. She can work from home on her own schedule. right? And then before he knew it, he's all in himself, right? Because he made 7,216 days. Jessica, 3 days ago, had my first $1,800 day. 17,800. My 3-month anniversary is tomorrow. Got one this morning while jogging. Then me and the hubby went out to eat and do a little shopping. Another one came in, right? Congratulations. Imagine how light that relationship is, just having that financial thing off, where you're just hanging out with your hubby and making money at the same time. Daryl, 7 days ago, 600 away from 200,000. While doing content this morning, didn't realize the $900 commission that came in, and he shares the screenshot there as well. Okay, very, very powerful. Got that from PayPal. Okay, close this. Congratulations, Edith, for hitting 1,000 TikTok followers. Just an update came in. He just got monetized on YouTube. Nasir, 2 days ago. Congratulations. 1,000. Brina, 4 hours ago, I made 962 Canadian dollars. This is far beyond what I've imagined. God is good. Willem, $100 ding, received $100 ding my live this morning 2 hours ago. Growing my followers. Paul, another 900. Bada boom. Mindset. Congratulations. Jubilata, 13 hours ago, $100 sales. Cheers to more sell. It feels so amazing. Christina, 7,200 in 4 weeks, right? I wanted to wait until my 1 month mark. And then here she's sharing a screenshot as well, right? 7,200 showing her Stripe. 1 month into my side gig in this e-learning and digital marketing gold rush, it's finally letting me enjoy more time off, right? We are in a digital marketing gold rush, is right. Okay. Carmel, 4 hours ago, $3,000 in my first 6 days. Launched August 14. Was even making money while I launched my business, right? Andrew, congratulations. First $900 sell. Hello, everybody. Just wanted to share. I made my first $900. Maritza, 14 hours ago. $900 ding last night. Let's go. Hi, everyone. This is my first big one. I feel privileged to share this program, right? Absolutely amazing. So what I want to do is I want to invite you to click the link below to claim your free copy of 10K in 30 Days guide. And I will deliver it to you via email. Make sure you check your email because you don't want to miss out on the free version of our community where you can bump shoulders with other members and ask any questions that you might have and actually see more wins in there. And reach out to me, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. Let's see if this is a right fit for you. I'll be more than happy to record a video answering any questions that you might have, right? Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. If you found value, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.